I want to break some math down KPI wise. So repeat what you said. Tell me if I'm wrong on this. If you had 1,000 numbers, you get maybe 100 people answer the phone. So 10%. Out of them, maybe 10 people are interested or having a conversation, and maybe 5 of those are going to end up being leads. If you did that, let's just say hypothetically, you did that every week. That was 1 week of time. So you had 1,000 numbers, 100 answers. So in a given week, you're 5 days in a week, you're answering 20 phone calls a day. Let's just say one person, right? We're not hiring a team or outsourced. You're maybe talking to 20 people a day. How long does that take, would you guess? I mean, it's going to be spread out throughout the day. Obviously, that's kind of weird. But if you had to answer 100 phone calls in a week.
You create 100 a week?
Yeah, 100 a week.
100 calls a week. So how long will it take for what? To
answer those phone calls and have the, like, can one person,
I mean, if you're doing 1,000 a week, let's say, I think everyone should be, if you're starting out, you should be working Monday to Saturday. That's my personal belief. I think Saturday is the best day to work on your business.
I like it.
Possible. Because especially if you're in real estate, everyone answers the phone on Saturday for the most part. It's our highest contact rate day.
That's good.
Actually, for a lot of our clients, we call Tuesdays through Saturdays. That's what I'm going to call Monday's a rough day.
Yeah, you're right. That makes a lot of sense.
Doesn't mean real estate agents, doesn't mean you take Monday off.
Yeah. What I'm trying to get at is here.
I know what you mean.
Can one person do this?
Saturday, absolutely. Because that's literally like $150 a day or so.
Yeah.
Tuesday through Saturday. You could do that in a 3-hour block each day.
Okay. So that 5 leads, and then let's just say it is 1 out of 50 of the leads actually turn out, just for easy math. It takes you 10 weeks to get a deal. Yeah. That deal makes you how much money?
Depends on where you are. I mean, generally speaking, across the
that.
country, I'd say generally speaking, you'd average $20,000 on a fee if you're wholesaling. Right. Probably, I bet you the average flip profit's like 35 grand nationwide, somewhere in there. So for the people making money doing it consistently.
So you do 3 hours a day of work for 10 weeks. You make 20 grand.
It's 30 out, yeah.
That's pretty darn good.
150 a year ish, right? No, less than that.
I don't know. 20. Let's see. In 10 weeks, there's 50 weeks in a year, roughly. So 5 times the 20. It's 100 grand a year.
100 grand a year.
So you can replace. Potentially, a person could work 3 hours a day, 5 days a week, and get up to 100 grand a year. And they're just with that math.